Hello everyone. Today we will take the topic of cylinder. We will do the concept of cylinder. Observe this figure. This object is in the cylindrical form. This is in the cylindrical form. Why? It has a curve over here and upper circle and lower circle. So the shape of this is in cylindrical part. So it is a cylindrical in shape. It's a cylindrical object. Observe this. The sideways part is curved. So we will call this sideways part as curved surface area. In cube and cuboid, we have taken the sideways part as lateral surface area, and if sideways is the curved, so we will take it as curved surface area. And if we will talk about the total surface area of this, then total surface area will be curved plus upper area and the lower area. Okay, curved area, upper area and the lower area together makes a curved surface area. Now we will go for the formulae over here. Suppose that this is a cylindrical shape which has radius. Radius means this circle having a radius from the center to the circumference, having a radius as r, and from here the height of this cylinder as h. Then curved surface area of cylinder, which is also written in the short form as CSA, curved surface area. Curved surface area means sideways. Its formula is 2 pi RH. 2 into pi into r into h, where pi equal either 22/7 or we can take it as 3.14 also. Now, let's try to make the total surface area of cylinder formula ourselves. Curved surface area, we know it 2 pi RH. So, as I have told it, total surface area is curved plus upper area and the lower area. Observe, what is the upper area or what is the shape of a upper area? The shape of a upper area is circle. And what is the area of a circle? That is pi r square. And the lower part is also circular. This is also circular. So its area is also pi r square. So curved plus upper area and lower area. So it is 2 pi r square, because upper pi r square and the lower pi r square add karenge, you will get 2 pi r square. Now take 2 pi r common. So the remaining is h plus r. So this is the formula for total surface area. So what we have got it? That curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH, and the total surface area or TSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r and in the bracket h plus r. Okay. Now based on these two formulas, we will try to do the worksheet now. In question 1, height of cylinder given, radius of cylinder given, and we have to find out curved surface area and total surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Now put the values here. 2 into 22/7, radius is 7 and h is 15. ये cancel हो जाएगा. 2 into 22 into 15. Now you can multiply it. Further, whatever answer you will get it, look at the unit and you have to find out its area. So its area will be in centimeter square. Unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Is it clear? And total surface area formula is 2 pi r and h plus r. It's written over there. Now again put the value 2 into 22 by 7. R is given 7 and in the bracket h plus r, that is 15 plus 7. Now you can solve it for the 44. 15 plus 7 is 22. Now multiply them together to get the answer in centimeter scale. Is it clear? Okay. Question 2. In question 2, diameter of cylinder is given 4.2 decimeter. So 4.2 decimeter is given. So radius of a cylinder will be divided by 2. You know it very well. So it will come as 2.1 decimeter. And height of cylinder is given 1 decimeter. Now the question is that you have to find out the curved surface area in centimeter scale. So it means this part, decimeter, you will convert it in centimeter first. So to convert a decimeter in centimeter, multiply it with 10. So it will come as 21 centimeter. Same way, height 1 multiplied 10, it will convert into centimeter, so it will be 10 centimeter. Now apply it in the formula. Again 2 pi RH. Remember the formula. So 2 into 22 by 7 r. R is 21 and height is 10. Cancel कीजिए. So it will come as 44 multiply 30 and this is centimeter scale. Is it clear? Now, question 3rd. Before we will take question 3rd, remember the unit of the area. It will always be in square form. Question 3rd. Curved surface area is given, radius is given and we have to find out the height of cylinder. अब देखिए curved surface area दिया हुआ है. So and we know the formula of curved surface area. So from here curved surface area of cylinder equal 2 pi RH. Now what we will do, जहाँ पे आपके पास जो वैल्यू दी हुई है उसके नीचे वो वैल्यू आप लिखते जाएंगे. So curved surface area value is given 1320 equal 2 into 22 by 7. R is given 10.5 and H you have to find out. Is it clear? Now how will you find out H now? By doing the cross multiplication. H equal 1320 this into this upon 2 multiplied 22 multiplied 10.5. Okay. Now it goes with 6. 60 आ जाएगा. And now cancel it. 30 you will get it. Now it will be further H equal 30 into 7 and 10.5. You can remove its decimal to write the 10 here. Now what should be? Is ये cancel हो जाएगा. 7 1 5. Now both will goes with 15 into 2 30. So H equal 20 and the unit is centimeter. So how will you complete it now? कैसे इसको complete करेंगे? What should be the last step now? Therefore, what will you write it? Height of cylinder equal 20 centimeter. Is it clear? Now question number 4. In question 4, circumference of cylinder is given and height of cylinder is also given and we have to find out lateral surface area. The lateral surface area is also called as curved surface area also. Lateral means sideways area and it is also called as कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया। अब क्वेश्चन में दिया है द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सिलेंडर और सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 176। सो बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर सर्कमफ्रेंस, ये सर्कमफ्रेंस दिया है आपको, दिस सर्कमफ्रेंस इज गिवन। आर यू गेटिंग इट? तो ये जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है किस शेप में है? दिस पार्ट इज इन विच शेप? दिस इज इन द शेप ऑफ सर्कल। तो सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल? सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस क्या होता है? 2 pi r. So it means in this question 2 pi r value is given 176. Once again, circumference of a cylinder, of the base of a cylinder, circumference of the base of the cylinder, since it is in the circular shape, circle में है, तो इसका circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So it means that 2 pi r value is given 176. Okay, ये दिया हुआ है. Now we have to find out lateral surface area. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of cylinder. What is the formula? Lateral surface area 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. अब देखिए, ये from here 2 pi r value is already given 176. तो यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे? Instead of this 2 pi r, can we put its value as 176? Yes, we can. So instead of 2 pi r, we will substitute its value as 176 into height. Height is given 65. इसको अब multiply करेंगे and then the answer will come in centimeter square. Clear? Okay. In question fifth, it is given that the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Radius of two cylinders are given in the ratio 2:3. So we will take the first radius as 2x and here we can take it as 3x. Second cylinder radius. Further, it is given the height are in the ratio 5:3. Height is given in the ratio 5:3. So we will take it as 5y and here we will take it as 3y. 5:3. अब देखिए, we have taken the variable separately. Different variable we have taken it. We have not taken it this also as x. क्योंकि ये आपको this is the radius and this is the height. तो आप किसी और वेरिएबल से इसको डिनोट करोगे. Now the question is you have to find out the ratio of the curved surface area of first cylinder upon second cylinder or ratio of these two. So radius R1 as 2x, here the radius is 3x, here it is 5y and here it is 3y. Now apply the formula curved surface area 2 pi. अब देखिए r की जगह we will take it as r1 and h1. Since these two are different cylinder, तो हम rh की जगह उसको कुछ और नेमिंग कर देते हैं, r1 h1, r2 h2. If we will take it same r and h, what does it mean? अगर हम दोनों को r और h से ही डिनोट करें for both the cylinder, क्या मतलब होगा? इट मीन्स कि उनका दोनों का रेडियस और दोनों की हाइट सेम है, बट हेयर इट इज नॉट सेम. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल टेक देम विद डिफरेंट नोटेशन. सो 2 pi r1 h1 एंड 2 pi r2 h2. नाउ ऑब्जर्व, देखिए ये कैंसिल हो गया. देयर इज नो नीड टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई हेयर. नाउ इन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट देयर वैल्यू. 2x multiply h1 5y and in the denominator r2 is 3x multiply 3y. अब देखते हैं, can we cancel the terms? Yes, we can cancel the variable here. So it will come as 2 into 5 upon 3 into 3. So it is coming as 10 upon 9. So what will be the ratio here? Tell me, what will be the ratio? The ratio will be curved surface area of first cylinder, ratio curved surface area of second cylinder is 10:9. I think these questions are clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.